Hi dolls, welcome back to Lisanna Does Things. I'm super duper excited to show you how I'm finally gonna organize and decorate my Impressions Vanity Slaystation right behind me. So a couple months ago we started this journey and we built it together, we cried together, we laughed together, and now we're gonna finally organize together. So stay tuned. I'm gonna walk you first through how I want to organize it and what I want it to look like. I'll show you what I'm gonna be using and the messy room that I have to organize. So there's a lot of makeup that's rolling around. I bought some organizational bins, which are the clear acrylic ones on Amazon. So I'll show you that. Hopefully they fit. The box is like sitting to my left. So stay tuned. If you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and stick around to the end of this video. I'm gonna show you a couple of things that I'm gonna be filming in the future. So you don't wanna miss out on any Impression Vanity reviews. You don't wanna miss out on how I'm gonna organize and decorate my walk-in closet slash YouTube studio. So stay tuned. I love you guys. So you may have remembered this from one of my Home Goods Marshalls hauls. I still haven't opened it up yet, so I might use this on one of the first drawers where I want to keep my makeup brushes and quick little tools and products that I want to use, especially when I'm doing my eye makeup, because they fit in here. So I'm probably going to use this for my first drawer if they fit. This I got from Amazon. It's definitely the clear acrylic that I really wanted, and I like the dividers. This product is from M Design, so pretty good quality actually. Here is another clear acrylic drawer. I want to use this for my bottom drawers where I want to put more of my bigger supplies, kind of like my hair products in here, because this is where I'm going to be doing my hair too. This measures 9 by 12 by 3 inches. I have more of these. I like these because they have little sections, so if I want to put my beauty sponges or little tiny makeup sample products, I can use these, and I can move them around too. I have this right here. It's kind of like cute and little and skinny, so I can put a lot of brushes in here. I have medium-sized containers where I can put bigger stuff that I want to use, and this is what it looks like when it comes in. So lots of little tiny boxes and products. So I'm gonna play around with it size-wise to see where I can get things to fit. My ultimate goal is to make sure that all of the drawers are like filled up side to side, so there's no empty space at all. So hopefully about the right size products. I also got this cute little waistband that I got at TJ Maxx for $7. So it's kind of very glam and cute. So I'm gonna put this underneath. Just wanted to show you like a quick little cute little trash bin. So I'm gonna start by cleaning it off. I'm gonna clean it off again, but there's just a lot of makeup here. So I'm gonna make sure to remove all of that. I'm kind of like on my knees because I don't want to like rearrange the camera again, but I plan to fill my drawers here with this nice glam fabulous acrylic diamond. So if you can see, the base is silver but the top is very clear. I'm a little worried that it's gonna make it look a little bit too dark, so if it is, I'm gonna add some clear diamonds in there. But I got these at Michael's. I can't remember the price. If I remember, I'll put it down below. I think it was $8. I could be wrong, but these are so cute. I saw someone else on YouTube do it and they filled their entire drawers with diamonds and it looked amazing. So if you're going for a similar idea, go for it. Like, it's really cute. Maybe add like a few accent diamonds, like pink ones or purple ones, just a couple, just to make it like pop a little bit. But I'm really all about the white, gray, and silver theme, so this is what I'm doing. Oh my gosh, you guys, I love it. I don't know if I want to add more because I kind of like the white space that I have in between the diamonds. It doesn't look too overwhelming, and I definitely didn't want it to look too dark. Oh my gosh, but I love it. I feel so fabulous and rich. Look at darling, all my diamonds. This is so cute. I love it. I feel so rich and fabulous and lovely. I feel like Paris Hilton, like, that's hot. I'm so excited with how this looks. I don't know if I want to use this one because I kind of like the white space around it. It doesn't look too heavy, but it also isn't overwhelming. It looks nice. It looks like a beautiful display. So I'm going to go get my Louis clutch. I'm going to plan to put it right here. And then I'm going to put some cute little glittery brushes right in the middle and see how that looks. So I have my Neverfull clutch. This is from the Neverfull, like one of the biggest bags. I hardly ever use it because it's so special to me. My hubby gave it to me on our anniversary. I think it was like our 9 or 10 year anniversary. So I'm going to put this in here. Then I have this clutch. So I'm going to take it out of the dust bag. And similar to the first one, I've only used it twice. So this is super special too. So this is what it looks like. I'm gonna leave this as is for now. My brushes are drying because I used them, so they're drying. I'm gonna let them dry up, and this is what it looks like right now. I think I'm gonna push this up a little bit. All right. So far so good. I'm not sure if the bags, the clutch, this clutch is kind of big, so I don't know if I want to keep that there. This one's fine, but we'll see. Let's see for the final product. Say hello to my cute little panda socks. So when you open the first drawer, we're gonna measure it out, and it's a little over 11 inches, so it comes up to here. So it's at like a little under 11.5, 11, I don't know, I can't measure, so we're not gonna do this. And when you measure it across, it measures right about here. So right under 11 inches is more space in the back, so you can't get all of the space. So there's about right up to here where my nail comes to. That's how much more space that you have in the back. So you can't really pull out the drawer anymore, but you do have more space to throw in random things in there. So we're gonna start with this acrylic one because I really want to put my brushes in any little eye makeup things that I need. You guys have the measurements. This measures about 16 inches exact and 8 inches exact. Then I have a smaller one that I'm gonna fit in, and this is perfect because this is what I want. I want it to to have no space in between. I don't want it to wiggle around too much, but this is perfect. I think this is the closest that I can get to it. So this measures 3 inches across and 6 inches exact. So that's great. I have this one. It's a little bit longer. 9 inches exact and 3 inches across. So that is perfect. And we're done with the first drawer. I want to put one more in here, but hopefully I want it to go the whole length across. I need to buy another one. But just so you guys have the measurements for this one, this is 9 inches across, about almost 6 inches, 6 inches, 3 inches, 3 inches, and 2 inches. And this goes about 9 inches across. So this is great. I mean, I have a ton of drawers, so I don't need to get everything in there. So I don't need to fill all that space. Don't mind the mess over there. I'm gonna clean it up. I have to put a lot of my makeup stuff away, so it will be clean in a second. So this is the set that I bought at Marshall's. This one measures, let's see, 12.5 by 8.9 by 2.3. And I'm gonna put in 2 of the skinny ones in there. Oh, and by the way, if you thought you were done seeing styrofoam. There's styrofoam everywhere. Yeah, you'll see styrofoam everywhere. There's styrofoam stuck under the tabletop that I just can't really reach and get into. So I'm just going to leave it as is. But if you thought you were done seeing it, you are not. It's going to live there with you forever. Yeah, so this is great. I'm hoping on this side to kind of put in products for like primers and things like that, bases, all that jazz. I have the same setup going on here. The only thing is that I don't have any more of the skinny ones to kind of put over here. So same setup, just kind of switched around, reversed. I'm hoping to put in the last 3 drawers on this side some hair products. So this doesn't fully fit the way I wanted it to. So I'm just going to turn it this way. Once I'm able to find a divider that fits the length of that empty space, I'm going to go ahead and put it in there. And I'm going to put another one into the 4th drawer. This is how everything looks once I've arranged the acrylic containers to my liking. I wanted to make sure that there were no empty gaps, and I used all of the empty space in the drawers. Now I'm going to go through all of my makeup and travel cases that were hanging out in the other room, and I'm sorting through it. I'm placing the dirty brushes to the side so I can wash them later. And going through my stuff, I realized I have a ton of old makeup that I need to part ways with and let go. I don't wear makeup every day, so I don't go through a lot of products. So out with the old and in with the new. I want to keep my brushes in the first drawer along with my eye stuff. But while I'm organizing it, I'm rearranging everything and realizing that the products don't fit perfectly in the containers and drawers where I want them to. So I'm going to go around and play with them a little bit more, and I'm going to play around with different size containers until I get the drawers how I want them to be and look like. I want to place any liquids, creams, and powders in the 2nd and 3rd drawers so I have easy access to blushes, highlighters, concealers, and primers, things like that, and lipstick and lip glosses too. My eyeshadow palettes are going in the bottom 2 drawers, but I'm going to purchase a palette holder soon to organize that a little bit better. Here's a sneak peek of some new product reviews coming to my channel soon. Let me know in the comment section which review you want me to post first. Got this at Dollar Tree. I'm just going to add a little bit of diamonds towards the bottom. And I'm going to add some cotton balls. And we are Gucci. I think it looks kind of cute. I like it. I'm going to put this on the side. This I got at Primark. It's like a little Q-tip dispenser. I got it for $3. And I'm going to go ahead and fill it in with some cosmetic Q-tips. This I also got at Primark. And it's in my other video hauls. So you guys should check it out. I have this cotton pad dispenser too. I got at Primark for $3 with some Primark cosmetic pads that I got for 75 cents. This is a cute little mirror that I got from Primark as well. This one I got for $4. Super cute. So I'm gonna put this right here in my vanity. It looks so freaking good. Oh my gosh, look at how everything sparkles and glitters. It's just how I wanted it to be and how I pictured it in my head. I wanted to give it a nice pop of color, and I added this nice pink brush set right in the middle, and it has a little glitter handle, so I think it's a perfect touch. This I actually got at Dollar Tree, and I added some Dollar Tree rhinestones and some Dollar Tree gems in the little bins, and it makes it look so cute. And you can tell that I added some Dollar Tree diamonds in the drawers too. I love how it captures the light and makes it look a little bit more brighter in the drawers. This is how I ended up organizing my drawers. I just wanted to give you a sneak peek of the final look. I'm definitely going to go back in and rearrange it some more until I get it to the way I want it to look. Hey dolls, thank you so much for watching. I think I got too many of the square organizers and not enough of like the wider space ones, which I really need because they have products of all different sizes. So I'm just not too happy with the way things were arranged and how I organize things. So I'm just gonna keep organizing it until I find something that works for me. So stay tuned. This is just part one of my mini series of how I'm gonna organize my drawer and my makeup room slash dressing room slash YouTube studio. So there's a lot more to come. So stick around for the next few minutes. I'm just gonna talk about a couple of the videos that are gonna come up on my channel, just so you guys are aware. Go ahead and subscribe to Lisanna Does Things so you can join the doll collection. Don't mind the mess. This is like a whole big mess. But I need to hang up some pictures, obviously. I'm gonna make this a walk-in closet, so I'm gonna build something right here on this back wall and kind of make it wrap around the windows and utilize this space right here. I still have a ton of stuff to do with this vanity. I want to order the lax shelves so I can put them on both sides of my vanity and make it look super cute like the ones on Instagram, but they've been out of stock for a really long time. And you can order them online, but you have to pay $80 shipping. I'm not doing that. I want to go ahead and use this closet right here either as like a shoe rack where I like have to build shoe racks across so I can fit my boots and my bags and purses and things like that, or whether I wanted to move this rack a little bit higher just so I can have two racks so I can store more clothes. I still haven't decided, so I'm going to do that. I'm going to review each of these impression vanity mirrors, so we have a lot to talk about and possibly a good Christmas present for you guys, possibly a giveaway, I don't know yet. And I have more of these impression vanities here. No, I'm not sponsored by impression vanities, but I did find them for a really good deal, so I'm just gonna review them and go ahead and let you know what I think about them. And then lastly, I'm just gonna talk about how I film my YouTube videos and what things I use. So this is a Halo Light Pro that I use to film some sections of this video. I also have, let me see, so this is also one of the first tripods that I use. So I got this on Best Buy for 15 bucks. And it's been really handy. This is how I filmed all of my YouTube videos. And I definitely use my iPhone. Thank you so much for sticking around and for being a doll, because you guys mean so much to me. Like, it's crazy. I already have 73 subscribers and I started back in July, so that's like awesome. So thank you so much. Tell me what you want to see more in this channel. Like, I'll try to incorporate that into my next couple videos. I have some stuff planned that I haven't really told you about, but it's a surprise, so subscribe. Bye, babies.